Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my first ever Win Railway collection video. My Win Railway engines, not really stock today, but hope you guys enjoy. First we have Thomas, Percy, Metallic Percy, CGI Rheneas, Old Style Duncan, CGI Henry, CGI Scarlowi, Porter, Dan, Charlie, Diesel, Scruff, Learning Curve Diesel, Scruff, Ben, Bill, Blue Paint, CGI Oliver, and James. Steven, Bell, introducing James, CGI Gordon, CGI Spencer. Hugo, CGI Rosie, Samsung, Ferdinand, Sydney. Edward, CGI Emily, Donald, Porter, Fearless Freddy, and 2 Tobys. Thank you guys for watching. This has been my first ever collection video. Okay, hope you guys enjoy.